Hello crafty familia, welcome back to another video. This is me, Sheila, coming to you with this unboxing of the CricutJoy. I hope you like this video, and if you considered giving us a thumbs up, that will help very much. Hola crafty familia, bienvenidos a mi video. Soy yo, Sheila, con ustedes presentándoles el nuevo unboxing de la CricutJoy. Espero que les guste y si regalan unos pulgares arriba, muchas gracias. Once you open your box, you're going to notice that there's a little envelope. This envelope contains some Cricut materials to cut for testing and also a tiny mat that it fits perfectly into the CricutJoy. I have to give it to Cricut. They have updated in such a way that every machine is easy and simple to understand. Almost any question you have about the Cricut or any Cricut machine, you can find them on their website, which you can also find underneath the description box. If I'm being honest, I was a bit bummed that the CricutJoy has their own marker system. I was a little bit excited thinking I could use the already 32 marker colors I have, but anyway, here's some comparison of why they won't fit your little machine in this case. They're still really nice and they write smooth as they do on the regular ones. Now, one of the things that I did have to get accustomed to was the new way the Cricut machine electrical plug works. In this case, it's a very small electrical plug, but you have to have it plugged in order to use it versus of how the bigger machines have the on and off button. That was something new for me, but then again, it's all about getting used to it. It's not my personal preference, but it works. taking a closer look to the CricutJoy, I see that they have a new housing system, which means that it only fits the new markers for the CricutJoy, and it also has its own blade, which is very sharp, just as like any other of their machines. I love it, but definitely it will be another consumable onto my bucket list. Well, not bucket list, into my list of arts and crafts supplies. Like I mentioned before, this is definitely one of the things that I love about the Cricut brand at this point, is that they're becoming so simple and easy to understand. The setup for these machines, like any other of the Cricut family, Cricut Explore family or the Maker, it's very simple. You just go to their instructions online once you download the software, and it's a go from there. You just have to make sure you read each instruction carefully, and in order to have a successful setup, you might as well try the cutout or the test cut, which gives you your small first project. I gotta say it, I love the fact that we don't have to worry about a mat, but then again, there's tips and tricks all over the internet where we can also find a way to do it in our bigger machines. I'll definitely look into some more of how to use the CricutJoy with my own options. And that's it, you did it. If you made it all the way to this part of the video, congratulations. You were able to unbox successfully your CricutJoy, and also you were able to make your first cut. That is so exciting. Now, comment below what other questions you have arisen to you from the CricutJoy. Let's find out what other projects and useful tips we can come up together. See you next time.